guys! Good morning! It's February 21 of 2016 and it's my mom's birthday today! So, as expected, baka mamaya magkakaroon kami ng, after work, magkakaroon kami ng family dinner since, yun nga, it's my mom's birthday. So, ayun. Right now, nandito ako sa may parang school na inaatin natin Ashley for review. Aga-aga. So, naiiyak ako. I've come to realize that my daughter is graduating. She's already grade 6. Oh my God. Parang ang bilis ng panahon. Naiiyak ako kasi yun nga target namin. Pumasok siya sa big school. So, ito. Oh my God. Naging kaya ko ng iba't ibang school para mapasukan niya. And of course, sa small school lang kasi si Ashley. So I'm really not sure if she's ready. Alam mo yung worry ng parents na if she's ready for a big school. So yun lang yung mga pumapasok sa utak ko ngayon. Parang, oh my God. Ready na ba siyang, to kind of parang let her spread her wings and explore her world. So, yun guys. So, uwi na muna ako. Kasi nasa labas ako ngayon. See you later. Hi guys! So, yun. Dito na ako sa bahay. Hindi ako masyadong nakatulog kahapon. I-sleep muna ako ng mga 1 hour ulit. Kasi I have work later. So, yun. Hindi ako masyadong nakatulog kasi I'm worrying a lot. Siyempre si Ashley kasi small school lang yung sa kanila. It's like parang bungalow house lang and first ped, which is nice community man tsaka tutok. But of course, as a parent, nag-worry ka. Ay, naiyak ako. Kung kaya niyang mag-ano sa big school. Takot ako kasi nga yung mga nakapost ngayon sa mga wall yung mga about bullying. Di ba nakakapraning? Kasi syempre ayaw mo naman naggagaronin yung anak mo. Kasi kahapon napanood ko yung nangyari dun sa ano ba to? Sa Alaska. Anchorage ba yun? Anchorage. Whatever. Basta sa Alaska. Yung bata, mga barkada pa niya, binidyohan siya habang binubugbog. Although hindi naman natin alam yung backstory, but still, as a parent, you don't want that to happen to your, lalo na yan, nag-iisang baby, nag-iisang anak ko. So, yun ang wino-work. Kasi, yun nga plano namin, for her to enter na into a big school. Kasi, of course, eventually, lalo na pag college, talagang big school yan, or university, kung papalarin, di ba? So, yun, syempre, as a mom, you're worrying, is she already ready to at least spread her wings and try to fly? Because parang, inano mo, ewan, eto na, mommy mode na ako. So, yun lang yung mga worries ko. Lalo na graduating si Ashley, nakakapraning. Napapraning na naman ako. Siguro, I'm really just a worrier. Pero, nice thing naman, because though whatever the situation that we have ng daddy ni Ashley, we support each other. So, parang napapadalas yung tawag niya kay Ashley and checking her out. Tama ba? Checking her out. Tapos, yung parang, anak, kaya mo yan. Parang binuboost niya yung confidence ng anak ko. So, I'm really thankful of him being a responsible and loving father to my baby. Inisip ko nga, alam mo yan, I'm always thinking of the positive side na though whatever happens, I'm still lucky kasi the daddy is really a loving father and a nice man. So, thank you lang sa mga, lalo na yung kapatid ko rin, ever support kay Ashley. Siya yung sumusunod every time na may work ako. Yung ate ko, si Ava, si Ate Tax, pati yung si Tita Lynn, yung mommy ni Ate Tax. They're all supportive of us. Compared to other single moms na parang, yun nga, sila yung kumakayod. Saludo ako sa inyo kasi I'm really not that kind of mom. I'm the type of chill and just a supporter to my baby. I don't support her financially, but I support her emotionally and physically together with my family, and I'm really thankful for that support kasi siguro hindi ko kaya. I'm not that strong person. Parang front ko lang na grabe and strong ko, pero I'm not that strong. I cry a lot. I'm so iyakin. Most of the time I get depressed, worried a lot, I get paranoid. I'm not perfect, but I'm thankful that I have this support. So sobrang lucky ko lang. So yun. Ay. So idlip muna ako kasi I only have 1.5 hours. So susulitin ko yung kung makakaidlip ako. So yan. Ay. Nga ako natatawa pala, guys. I don't know. It's really mixed emotion pala. Kasi, I don't know if I worry or I'm excited for Ashley's new chapter of her life. Kasi naalala ko nung bata ko. It's nice to enter din naman a new level, new chapter of your, but of course, isip ko, I'm getting older. So, yun. So, sige guys, later ulit.
So, tapos na ako sa work ko. Papunta ako ng kay mama ngayon kasi I'm going to meet my sisters for my mother's birthday celebration. So, medyo,
Sobrang pagod kasi ang bagal ng oras, pero ang daming tao dito sa SM Annex. So yun guys, later ulit. Meet ko muna sila. Grabe. Nakapay ko yung mga kapatid ko. Wala naman sila. Wala na akong bago. Pagod na ako. Ayoko na mag-iwan. Tapos ko na lang silang mag-figure out na lang dito. Kasi ang usapan natin ba? So wala namang work party.
The science was easy.
Tagal na ako.
ano itong lemon?
Guys, yun ay food. Nagugutom na ako. Kapag ko lang yung miss. Ito ginagawa ko. Bakit ba? Picture ko dyan yung mata ko.
May cake kami, yan.
Seto. O yung may pares. Ang sarap ng pares nila
Yan
kasi
pares,
meron.
non-king beef yan.
Ah, okay. Sabi mo kanina parang pares.
Parang pares.
Mong
Pero
kausap.
yung name yan,
Hindi na ako kumain. Alam mo, ito gusto ko. Oh my God. Look at that fat. It's so delicious.
Ano sabi ni Jo?
Kain-kain mo. Ang sarap ng mga ulam. Grabe. So, yan ang aming handa para sa aming mahal na ina. Chinese food kasi mahilig siya sa Chinese food. Ay, gusto kong tikman yan. Yung Macau. Sure ba? So, yung kakain muna.